Dozer.
Now this is some of the most fun I've had in a long time. Dozer time, baby. Got the Cat D5. Moving some dirt. Woo! This is awesome. I'll take you around the controls real quick before the battery dies. Over here on the left hand side, this is your directional control. Forward, push forward, backwards, pull backwards, steer, turn left and right. It's all hydrostatic controlled. Here's your throttle. You pull it back, that's full throttle. Obviously your parking brake here. Then on this side, this is your blade control. So left to right, tilts the blade like this. Twist it, it rotates the blade like this, and obviously up and down. So you want to give her full throttle. You have your foot on the decel pedal here on the floor. Put the full throttle to full, turn off your parking brake, select your direction, and set your blade, and release the decel pedal. Here's where we're at today. A friend of mine's cleaning off some property, and he was kind enough to leave a little area here with some dirt piled up that I could play dozer operator. So basically I took all the dirt that was piled up here, needed pushed off the end down there because they're filling it in, and pushed it off the end. Almost got stuck once. That's because I grabbed a hold of a big down tree that was down there and decided to push it out of the way. Well, it was hollow and wet underneath it. Luckily, we just backed right out of it. But that was awesome. First time in a dozer. I don't think I did too hateful. We got a little bit of runoff from the side of the blade. Got some wet stuff in here. You can't really do anything with that right now because it's all squishy. And they need to bring in a whole bunch more dirt to really level this area off. But awesome. That was awesome. There's just a view of this area up in here. About 10 to 15 foot wide stretch of dirt piled up, approximately 2 foot tall or so, and pushed all that off down there into a low spot. And this area right about there is where I almost got stuck. I'm gonna take you over, show a real operator. He's over there trying to fill in more down by the edge of a creek bed, at least the bank. And yeah, you get to see how a real operator uses a dozer. Just a cool piece of property that my buddy's improving. You have a creek bed here, and he's cleaning up the bank on the side here, leveling it all out. And there's a pond up yonder. I'm gonna grade all that out so we get proper drainage down to this creek. It's just really cool. I'd love to have a creek in my backyard. At least one that flows. This has got a nice flow to it. Right up there was where we were pushing the dirt off. Big low spot there. Again, there's a creek flowing from up there. Going that away. Dozer time. Awesome. 6-way blade, even an air-conditioned cab. Doesn't get much more cozier than that. Really appreciate my friend giving me the time. I know it's probably inconvenient for him, but he gave me the time and the seat and gave me a nice little pile of dirt that was easy enough to move. I had a blast. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave your questions and comments in that section below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have a chance to operate a dozer, do it. Thanks for watching, everyone.